Hello guys, today I'm going to explain to you how to work on the review because this is a lot of things that you have to do. I'm going to do the first exercises and you do the rest. Okay, in the first part of the review, the instruction says read the conversation. Choose the correct answer to each question. Lean la conversación. Escojan la respuesta correcta para cada pregunta. Number one is here, is the example. After you read the conversation about the party, you have to answer these questions. I'm going to do number 2 and number 3. When is the party? Okay. When is the party? ¿Cuándo es la fiesta? So I have to look for some clues here. Great. Where it's gonna be? At the downtown mall. This is a place, so this is all my answer. They have a special party room. Is that cool or what? Where is it? It's down the hall from the Monster Burger on the second floor. What can I bring? I have cookies and chips at home. Thanks for offering. Well, we have everything. Can you bring Sylvie? Okay. So I'm going to read it again. Oh, look, the answer is here. After school on Friday. So the answer is going to be this. Where is it going to be? ¿Dónde va a ser? Downtown Mall. En el centro comercial del centro, downtown. So I'm going to do this. Okay, you do 4, 5, and 6. Now, in number 2, we have to complete the conversation with the correct form of be going to. So, I'm going to do letter B. Hey, Melissa, I'm going to bring 2 classmates here to work on a project. And then Melissa says, who, blank, right. Las pistas son quién, espacio, traer. So I'm going to ask, who are you going to bring? ¿A quién vas a traer? So this is going to be my answer. Bart and Carter. ¿A quién vas a traer? A Bart y Carter. Their parents not be home for dinner. ¿Ah? No. Okay, so here I'm going to, okay, their parents not be home for dinner. So my answer is going to be negative because I see the word be. I see the word no. Their parents are not going to be. Their parents are not going to be home for dinner. They blank bring ellos espacio traer are going to bring. Oh, here I forgot to put bring. Oh, but it's here. I put it anyways. They're going to bring a pizza for us. Do me a favor, sure what? And you are going to do the last 3. Remember, we have to use the verb in parentheses and we have to use the correct form of be going to. And in the number 3, we have to give directions. Look at the diagram of the school. Complete the conversation with directions and locations. So we have to look for clues here. This is the first floor and this is the second floor. Primer piso, segundo piso. So we're gonna look for clues. We have to Complete the conversation with directions and location. It's a conversation between Nick and Lily. Excuse me, where's the science lab? It's on the second floor. I see the science lab here. It's the first door. Oh no. Take the stairs and turn. Okay, if I take the stairs. Okay, the first floor. If I take the stairs and turn right. Turn right. It's the first door on the on the right again. It's okay. Next to. It's next to the art room. Sí que voy a completar la conversación. ¿Dónde está el laboratorio de ciencias? Está en el segundo piso. Tome las escaleras y doble a la derecha. Esa es la primera puerta a la derecha. Está al lado de el salón de arte. And now your homework, you finish the instructions for the library. Just copy what you have to do. Ok, de tarea les queda terminar los ejercicios que no hice yo aquí en esta demostración. Solo va a ir copiando lo que no he hecho yo aquí, los ejercicios que aún están por completar. That's it, guys. Bye bye.